OBS? What is OBS? What's going on, all you CalmCoolSavages? I'm your host, Wesley. You're watching CCS TV. So you want to start live streaming to Twitch, but you have no clue where to start? Don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream to Twitch using OBS or by using OBS Streamlabs. Now this video will be following up with my last video, how to make a Twitch account. If you clicked on this video and you still haven't created a Twitch account, go ahead and click on the tag right above. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. Before we get into the video, smash like, smash subscribe. Welcome back, you guys. This is the new series on the channel dedicated to helping amateur and beginner streamers on Twitch. So you're probably wondering now, how do I stream to Twitch using OBS? Well, let's talk about that. First off, I'm going to show you guys how to stream to Twitch using OBS Studio. Go to obsproject.com and download the app. Once you have downloaded the app, open up OBS Studio. Welcome to OBS Studio. Now, when you first open up OBS Studio, all your scenes are going to be blank. I just have a bunch of scenes in here because I use OBS Studio for my streaming software. Over here, you got your sources, the mixer, scene transitions, and controls. What I'm going to show you guys is how to set up OBS in your settings so that you can go live and stream to Twitch. So when you first open up OBS, what you're gonna wanna do is go to File, go to Settings, and go to Stream. Now here is where you put your stream key to your Twitch account. To find your stream key, go to your Twitch account, click on Settings, and then go to Channel and Videos. Here is where you find your stream key. Now you should always keep your stream key private and never give it out to anybody unless you want them to have access to stream to your channel. Go ahead and copy and paste your stream key into stream key. Where it says service, go ahead and select Twitch and then select the server that you live the closest to. If you're not sure what server is near you, click on auto recommended. For me, I live in Denver, Colorado, so I click on Denver, Colorado. Next, you're gonna wanna go to output. This is very important. When you first go to output, it's not gonna look like this for you. Up at the top, it says output mode. Yours is probably gonna be set to easy. Set it to advanced. This way you can change the encoder to AMD Advanced Media Framework. Make sure you have M4 streaming service encoder settings checked. And for me, I don't have the greatest PC. I am a budget streamer, so I do have a low budget PC. These settings should work for you guys if you have a decent internet connection. What I like to set my output settings to is quality balanced, profile high, profile level automatic. For rate control method, keep it at consistent bitrate CBR. Prepass mode, make sure that's disabled. Target bitrate 3500 is where I like to leave it. Bitrate really just depends on your internet connection. If you're not sure what type of bitrate to use, stream.twitch.tv/encoding tells you everything you need to know. For example, my stream is a 720p 60 FPS stream, and the resolution is 1280 by 720. That means my bitrate could go up to 4500, but I usually leave it at 3500 just to be safe. It tells you what to set your rate control, your frame rate, your keyframe intervals, your presets, and your B-frames. But I would highly recommend this website for those of you who are trying to get more frames out of your stream. Once you get your stream key, once you set up all your settings, you're gonna wanna go down to scenes. Set up your OBS similar to this. You're gonna want a background, a game capture to capture your game. Then you're gonna also wanna add a video capture device. You may also want a cam border. And if you guys wanna know more about setting up stream overlays and alerts, comment down below. Let me know if you would like some assistance in helping you set up overlays or getting free stream overlays. I will make a video for you guys. After you set up your scene, all you have to do is go over to start streaming. Make sure you go to your Twitch dashboard, set up your title, put in your channel tags, and you're good to go. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to set up Streamlabs OBS. Go to streamlabs.com and download Streamlabs. Once you have downloaded Streamlabs, open up the application. When you open up the Streamlabs application, this is what you'll see, except all your scenes will be blank. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is go down to the little cogwheel at the bottom left. This is settings. It's pretty much the exact same as OBS. Most people just prefer Streamlabs OBS over the original OBS because it's a lot easier. Go to stream, put your stream key, select your stream service, then select your server, just like in OBS. Go to output, where it says encoder, click the hardware, AMD. Bitrate, I'm gonna change to 3500. Enable advanced encoder settings. Select balance for encoder preset. Unless you have a better PC, select quality for a better quality stream. Go to video, select your base canvas, then select your output scale. Now, a really cool thing about OBS Streamlabs is you can set up the whole thing by going to the Streamlabs website. When you go to the Streamlabs website, it gives you a wide variety of streaming widgets, from alert boxes to chat boxes to donation goals and event lists, and even more. When you go to alert box, there's tons of custom overlays for your stream, and all you have to do to install them to your stream is click install at the top right corner. And a really cool feature is if you have Twitch Prime, there's tons of stream overlays that you can get with Twitch Prime, which is really cool. A lot of these are animated, so for a little example, we got the stream starting soon, and these are actually really cool. I would use these myself. For all my stream overlays, I customly make them, but I don't have After Effects or anything, so I can't do cool animations like this. So if you guys want some cool animations, some free alerts, some free overlays, sign up with Streamlabs OBS. I will put a link in the description if you guys want to download OBS. If you do use this link, a lot of creators don't tell you this, but every time you use the link, I do get a little bit of money back, and it does support the channel. If you guys want to support the channel, please use the link in the description to download Streamlabs OBS. And that's how to use OBS and Streamlabs OBS to stream live to Twitch. If you guys are interested, I also stream over at twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. I usually play with all my viewers and I do all types of streams. Come on in, join the fun. If you guys like this video, comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, let's start a conversation down there. Let's talk about it. If you like the video, hit up the like button. Also, if you like the content on the channel, punch out the sub button. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to the video. Keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage. In one of my last videos, I asked the viewer how I should end my next video, and this is what he said.